This video, we're going to be doing a product review on the Smart Swab, coming up next. Alright, so this is Smart Swab, guys. So if you look at the packaging looks kind of is really stereotype as those seen on TV ads. Seen on TV, see? Okay, so we just to open the plastic up, we're gonna open it together, cut the corners open. Okay. Let's throw that to the side. We want this. This is what we want. Alright. Doesn't look too bad. Looks kind of reminds me of like a toothbrush, it kind of. Actually, this is a really soft, actually. It feels like the rubber part to like a pen. Alright guys, I just got out the shower right now. So let's go ahead and start filming and doing this product review. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. There we go. So if you look on the Smart Swab, it actually has arrows on there. So let me see if I could go ahead and cover this. So you see the arrow? I guess you just turn it that way. Alright, so I guess I'm going this way. Well, I don't know if I like this. This is so weird. Doesn't really say how long to do it, so I'm just gonna do it for a few minutes here. I really didn't get anything at all. I didn't get nothing, actually. Not nothing like the commercials are showing, like all the everywhere on Instagram was showing like, oh, they pull out a whole lot. I didn't get nothing at all. So let's try the other ear. I don't know if I'm in there or not. Oh. Okay, I feel that now. Oh, I think I went too deep. That's what she said.
Why life?
Not even a little bit. So I don't know what to say about this product. It's kind of a hit or miss, you know. This is the one I just used right now, and I don't know. Honestly, like the way they demonstrated online, it looked really interesting because it pulls so much earwax out. I'm like, okay, great, let me try it. But when I'm trying it, it does feel a little bit uncomfortable. Because you're shoving this big old thing in here, your Q-tips is half this size. You know, like, let's measure the comparisons. Let's measure the comparisons. Let's measure them together.
Okay.
See, look. So here's them together. And literally like one. Okay, so about this much actually goes into your ear. So you actually put in more stuff into your ear. But look how much bigger it is. And you know, I'm not too sure, like me, I have a small ear canal. So this really felt uncomfortable. So I really don't like the feel of it, how big it was in my ear canal. It is bigger than a regular Q-tip. And I guess my ears were just clean because I really didn't get that much out of it. Maybe I should wait another 2 more days, 3 more days, not cleaning my ears, and then try it then and see what happens. But the only thing I haven't done yet is dispose of it. So, you simply just get it, pop. Actually, I do kind of like that though. But, you know, so I looked online. These run about $10.99. That's actually really expensive. And not too sure if it worked too well. Like I said, we'll give it another 2 more days. I won't clean none of my ears, and we'll find out what happens. So it's been a few days, and I haven't cleaned my ears, and it's been really bothering me not cleaning my ears after the shower. So last time when we did this, I did it right after the shower. I really didn't get that much anything out, any wax. So I showered this morning. It's been, I want to say, almost 12 hours already. So we're going to give it another shot. Like I said, I haven't cleaned my ears in 3 to 4 days. So hopefully we'll get some better results than we got last time. And nothing, guys. I didn't get anything at all. You know, I don't think I think I'm doing it right. You know, you just put it in here and twist, you know, I'm twisting and nothing's coming out. And so let's put it to another test. I actually have some Q-tips here. So this is a regular Q-tip. These are supposed to be really, really bad for you, but we're gonna see if this one actually works or does this actually work better. So I was actually getting more result from the Q-tip than I actually did this. After doing examining, I didn't find any wax in it. So my results at the end of the day was, I don't think this is really worth $10.99. Now, if it was worth, you know, costing $5.99, maybe, but even at that, it's still very expensive compared going against Q-tips. I know people say Q-tips are the worst thing you can do for your ears. But at the end of the day, they're still getting your ears cleaned, you know, and this didn't do anything at all. So, you know, give it a shot. I didn't like it. Maybe I might be doing it wrong. If I'm doing it wrong, please let me know. But other than that, guys, go ahead and like, share, subscribe.